Hello everyone, we are in the week one of Speak Out campaign of Daily Extempore and we have successfully started it, and today we'll see how we have to talk and how we have to start practicing the Daily Extempore. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to So the first thing that we have to do is we have to make a list of the topics that we have to start for this week. So this week's category is a simple topic that is familiar or favorite things. We have already discussed this yesterday. So we have to start. We have to discuss about the topics category on Sunday. So we have discussed it yesterday, and so I've made a list of these 10 topics, 10 topics in a mobile. You can make a list of it in a mobile, or you can use a paper. You can write them on a paper. So then you have to choose the topic randomly from this, and you have to talk. So how to do that? So I'm going to Google, and I'll just type for a random number. So you can set minimum and maximum limit for this random number, and you can set to generate. Then it will generate a random number for you, and you can talk upon that topic. So it generated 7, and I can talk about favorite game today. In that way, I can also choose for a spinner, and I can use this also. You can set the spinner's limit here, and you can spin. So in that way, you can just simply choose a random number. It chooses 7. Let me choose one more. So 3. So 3 means I can talk about my house today. So you can do it like that, or you can simply tear the paper, and you can collect the pieces into a box, and you can simply shake the box, and you can randomly choose one topic from this. So me. So I can talk about myself. So in this way, you can just select a random topic each day, and you can start talking upon that. So hello learners, I am Usha Kiran, and welcome to Sea Cultivation. So have a timer with you. So I have set it today in for 2 minutes, and let me choose my topic today randomly. So today I'm going to talk about me. So I'm going to talk about me today. Let me start the timer. I'm 22. Sorry, I'm 23, and I like to teach, and I like to learn more. I like puzzles, and I'm basically a programmer. I deal with logical stuff more, and I like puzzles so much. I like to solve puzzles, and that interest to solve puzzles has made me to learn programming, and um, been living with programming for about 4 to 5 years. I like to do programming so much. Other than that, I like cooking, and I like to draw. I'll do pencil sketches, and I learned it from my brother. And so we have 1 minute. And then, yeah, I used to cook so much. Not so much, but I used to cook on weekends. And I like chicken. I like food so much. I like to eat spicy stuff. Then I like noodles. Sorry. And I like to talk in front of people, or I like to talk on stages. Let me tell you one strong point that I like in me. That is, even though I'll get fear to talk in front of people on stage, I just hold the fear, and I'll go and talk in front of people. Even today, in front of people on stage, I'll get fear. Even if you see here today, my hand is little shivering. So even I have a little discomfort in front of camera or in front of people. So but still I'm just habituating to that, and I'm just talking. I like to talk, and we are out of the time. So I like to talk, and I learn to talk, and I'm habituating to talk. Thank you. Okay, it went horribly. So this is how you have to talk, and this is how you have to try. This is my first day in front of camera with an extempore, and you also try the same. You just choose a random topic and you have a timer and start talking. Share this with required people and start motivating others. Thank you for watching. Thank you.